so as you can see, the roof's all framed, and we have the temporary posts here. Temporary posts. So now we'll go ahead and, okay, so now we need to go ahead and order some steel posts, and we're going to make sure you get a plate on the top and bottom of the steel posts so you can anchor them into the concrete, and then we can bolt them or screw them into the header here. So that's what we're going to be doing next. So we're going to get that all in place before the stone and the brick layers come, because they're going to wrap the stone and the brick, in our case the stone, around the post, and it'll be nice and solid and it'll all be tied in. This is acting like a big sail here, so you want to make sure it's tied into the foundation really good. You don't want it to blow off, so keep that in mind. Alright, great. So the posts are arrived, so now we'll go ahead and install the posts. And as you can see, we've already put in a couple here. And we've got to make sure, here's our bottom plates, and we've got some holes drilled here, so we're going to be bolting those in. And we're going to be, they're already tied into the top. So this will be nice and solid and nice and tied in. So now that they're in, and the brickies can go ahead, the bricklayers or my brick masons will go ahead and brick around these posts. Now, I still haven't decided. I know I'm going to put a stone base, probably 3/4 up. I'm not really too sure what I want to do on top yet. I might go with a wood finish or a stucco finish, but we'll figure that out very shortly. So let's go ahead and watch the carpenter go ahead and put a couple posts up. Great. All right, so we got the posts here, and our dimensions were a little too close, and we're about 1/4 inch a little too high. We should have made them a little slightly less to get our posts in. So we're going to go ahead and jack it up a little bit and slide the post in, and then put this post back down. So we're just in the process of doing that right now. Hold that. No, it's going to come down a bit. I got it. You got that? Yeah, I got it. Okay, we're good. There we go. Okay. Nice, center that out. You got it marked on the ground here?
Yeah, more or less we're
Right on the line here?
Yeah, right with the red line.
On the flange? Yeah, that's right there. We're good. Then we get the level.
Tap it. This side you can tap this way a little bit. Yeah. This side. Yeah. We're going to tap. Should be good.
Check it. Jay, get a close up of the level here. Okay, we're spot on there. All right, beautiful. Okay, gonna go ahead and lower the jack and tie it all in. All right, it's almost 5 o'clock on a Friday, and the brick was supposed to be here, the stone, so it's not here yet. So I'm on the phone right now, seeing where it's at. That's one thing, you want to stay ahead of all your trades, because especially when everybody's busy, you don't want the supplies not to be here, because they'll go somewhere else. So hopefully it'll still show up, but as I say, it's almost 5 on a Friday afternoon. It's not good. Jeremy, it's Roman calling. You promised me the stone today. I don't see it, so can you please call me back and let me know what's happening? Thank you. Bye. You'll be doing a lot of that, making sure you keep on top of things, so keep that in mind.